Alright, should we do a little unboxing? Should we see what's in the box here today? Using my old-timer pocket knife. Alright. Got this in the mail yesterday. Let's see what's in the box. Oh shit! Did I open it up upside down? Might have opened it up upside down. Well, stretch out the reveal even longer. This is hard to do one-handed. I don't know how people do this one-handed. Unboxing videos. Oh, camera one hand. Let's see what this is. Pump it up. Must be. Oh! Look at this. I didn't know it would come like this. I thought these shoes, which you'll see in a second, came in this bag. They sent this so you could package them like that. That's pretty dope. And they came in a regular shoe box. Okay, that's pretty dope. Let's see here. Ooh, look at these. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say. I'm a grown man. I don't know if I should be wearing Toy Story shoes, but I mean, come on now. These, I mean, how dope would these look at Disney's California Adventure? I mean, come on. Be flexing. All the kids would be jealous. Those are pretty sick. I don't care what you say. Never too old to wear some Toy Story sneakers. I don't know what's my favorite. The Buzz sides, left sides, or the Woody right sides. I am from Wisconsin, so I'm you'd think I would vibe with the cow hide theme, but you know, just wasn't my thing. So look at the insoles there. The Bait Reebok collaboration. Bait exclusive. I hit on the raffle. Got to purchase these. And I don't know, I think Reebok and Bait killed it with these Instapumps. I dig them. I dig them. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You let me know. Would you wear these? I already told you I would. I think it's dope they came with the packaging so you can seal them up like a toy. I may have collected an action figure or two in my life, so these speak to me. And here, we'll do a little bonus unboxing video. Shout out to my brother and his wife for getting me this. Being godfather to my nephew. Little Father's Day present, Godfather's Day present. Little Hot Ones from Heatonist monthly box. Extra spicy, super spicy edition. I've had sauce from Hellfire before. It's insane hot. I just add a few drops to my salsa to spice it up more. All the store-bought stuff that's not spicy enough, I add a few drops to it. But this is a separate one from Hellfire, so I'm excited to try this. These all look crazy fire. So we'll see how we test them, or see what we test them on. You know, whether they're a breakfast burrito material or just added to the chili material. All right, that's it.